makita po kayong lahat. Marami po kami pinagdaan ng unos, challenges, na-cancel ang flight, kung ano po nangyari. Pero nakaabot po kami dito sa awa po ng ating pong Panginoon. I'm very glad representing both Nigeria and Philippines because I'm married to a Nigerian, so I'm from both countries. And this is what I have to tell all of you po, my brothers and sisters and friends who are here. Come to Nigeria! Book your flights now! Whatever you see here in the Philippines, you can do it 10 times more in Nigeria. It's very fresh. The market there is very open. I am telling you, book your flights now. Come to Nigeria and build the network, build the business with us. God bless you all.
Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, AIM Global is now in the Philippines. AIM Global from Nigeria, from the Philippines, now in Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine this. These people came all the way from Nigeria to the airport here in Manila, from the airport straight here in the Ultra to witness the Silver and Gold Executive Celebration. Guys, can we give them our loudest round of applause? This proves that AIM Global is going around the globe. We are not only for Filipinos, we are also for the Africans, for the Americans, for the Koreans, Singaporeans. Like guys, imagine this. One day, you're going to hear a lot of distributors coming all the way from different countries all over the world. And imagine this. One day, you will have a downline that will come all around the globe. All around the globe. Nagumulong ako. Sobrang excitement. Alam mo kung bakit? Imagine ito. Nigeria pa lang to. There is still Ghana. Kenya. Now, can you imagine this? Ilang libo, ilang milyong tao sa buong mundo. Imagine nyo, magkano 1.5 ang kikitain nyo! I hope you can see clearly what's happening in AIM Global. This proves na AIM Global hindi lang pang Pilipinas, pang global talaga tayo. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, magiging global ka na rin! Magiging global ka na rin!